Good morning, world. Welcome to Badger Vlog number 33. There's only 2 days of 2022 left. And man, this morning's bicycle ride, I was like all in my head, just lots of stuff. Thinking about what am I doing in the new year? What does 2023 look like? What was 2022 like? What would I change? What did I love? And you know, we've got some stuff we're working on behind the scenes that you guys don't know about yet that will come out in 2023 that we are super excited about. We have Route 66 coming up in 2023, and we're going to take support bikers to a whole nother level. So we're excited and nervous and all that stuff you get when you're working really hard on something that you know your heart and soul is in, and you just hope it succeeds, right? So I've been down this path a few times and a lot of them didn't succeed. So, you know, hopefully our dream for Sport Bikers definitely does. Anyway, enough of this boring stuff. I've earned my coffee, workout's done, sun's out. It's freaking Florida, baby. 80 degrees today. See you in a bit. Alright guys, so I'm here at Firestone, getting ready to have some new tires put on the truck. I picked here because I literally ride by this every day when I'm working out. It's like 3 miles from my house, so it's easy to come down here, get the tires rotated, balanced. It's a convenience thing for me. And then I just talked to the manager here. I really like him, so that'll be awesome. And as a matter of fact, I'm dropping off the truck and I'm taking the bicycle home. You guys saw that crazy video. So this is crazy, guys. I drove from my house all the way here to get tires on my truck with my GoPro on the hood. I guess I should probably grab that. Can you believe that made it? Holy crap. Almost lost my GoPro. Where I drove here in the truck like 3 miles with this GoPro on the hood of the truck. I cannot believe it did not fly off and just get all busted. So you know, good things happen and bad things happen. This was one of the good things that happened that could have been really bad, right? So anyway, I'm gonna leave the truck here and get it some new shoes. Back to the house. Alright guys, our last shipment of Badger Nation stickers. Let's see what we got. We got Australia, Pennsylvania, Georgia, Florida, Ohio, and Kansas. Let's get these shipped off. Last shipment of 2022. Alright guys, so if you ordered a patch over the last 2 days, they're on their way. What's up guys? So for today's shout out, Sport Biker shout out, we got a card from Wind Road Therapy. Desiree and her dog Boo Boo. And they sent us this card with all these pictures from wherever they traveled this summer. And it says, Sonny, Angie, and family, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Guys, thank you so much. And guys, if you do not know who Wind Road Therapy is, look her up. She's on YouTube. She's on Facebook. She's on Instagram, and in all those support bikers groups. She's one of our moderators. She's in there welcoming people and making sure that everything runs smoothly. So she's an awesome volunteer for us. And guys, she is what support bikers is all about. She is the single most supportive person I've ever met. And if you're in the moto world, you know that, right? She's on every live stream. She watches every video. She comments. She shares. She participates. And all she wants to do is make the community better. So guys, if you haven't yet, go over Wind Road Therapy, because, you know, a little wind, a little road, and most of us need a lot of therapy, but she provides a little therapy. Anyway, guys, go check her out, Wind Road Therapy. Tell her the Badger sent you. Woohoo! Brand new shiny black tires on the truck. We don't drive the truck that much, so it should be good for a long time. Now let's go check out what Mama's project is out here. Yo, what you doing?
I'm volunteering.
You volunteering? I thought you were gonna sand this thing.
Isn't that what I said, volunteer?
It does.
I did. I've sanded this part, now I'm cleaning off the dust.
When are you gonna start?
I'm ready for you to help me lift it up.
When are you gonna start sanding?
I already did.
What do you guys think?
When are you gonna get out there and freaking help me?
Busy. I've got peoples here that I'm talking to. We're busy over here.
Yeah.
Find other help. Alright, I guess I gotta go help. See ya. Alright, so Mama Badger is working on making her brown table black. Because if you haven't met us, black is kind of our thing. And Angie hates brown. So she's working on it. We'll dry it and give it another coat or two, and it'll be just like a brand new black table. Been a pretty successful day, actually. We've been getting some stuff done, still not. Well, we had this whole list of stuff. We're just like tired, I guess. We just don't want to do it. No motivation. We just want to do our own thing. We're always like, you know, on social media, doing, you know, helping people, doing work, whatever that may look like. And just like, I want to do whatever the hell I want to do. And Angie said the same thing today, like she was going to come out and do this, and I look over and she's reading a book in her chair, and I'm like, are you reading your book today, or are you doing the table? And she's like, leave me alone, I want to do what I want to do. I get that. I want to do what I want to do too, so that's why nothing's getting done. Anyway, we deserve a break. We're going to take one.